In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can draw a frequency polygon. With the example on the left, I've already drawn a histogram to represent the information. Taking a look at the first bar, it goes from 1 to 4, which is what the first category went from, and has a height of 3, which was the frequency of the first group. In order to draw a frequency polygon, we join the midpoints of each bar up. And the red line now represents my frequency polygon. With practice, you'll be able to do this without the need of drawing the histogram first. So looking at how we can construct the first point, I need the midpoint of 1 to 4. If I add 1 and 4 together and divide by 2, I get 2.5. So the coordinate of the point I'd plot would be 2.53. I'd then join that up with 4 plus 7 is 11, divided by 2 is 5.5. I'd then join that to 5.52, which was the second frequency value. So my first line is drawn from 2.53 to 5.52. And doing the same for all the others, 7 plus 10 divided by 2 is 9.5. So my third point would be 9.56. And finally 10 plus 13 divided by 2 is 11.5. So my final point would be 11.55, which is this point here. So altogether I plotted 4 points in order to draw my frequency polygon. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So I'm going to answer this question without drawing a histogram first. So finding the midpoint of the first interval, 2 plus 5 divided by 2 is 3.5. So the first point I need to plot is 3.5 and the frequency 4, which is that point there. The next interval, 5 plus 8 divided by 2 is 6.5. So the next point will be 6.53. Eight plus 11 divided by 2 is 9.5. The third point is 9.55. And finally, 11 plus 14 divided by 2 is 12.5. So my final point is 12.52. In order to construct my frequency polygon, all I need to do is join these points up. And this is my final answer.